In this video, we will see the reaction of alkaline metals, or we say group 1 metals, in your periodic table with water. All of these metals react vigorously or even explosively with water, and in each case a solution of metal hydroxide is produced together with hydrogen gas. As we know, we are dealing with alkaline metals. We have done our risk assessment and have realized we need to wear goggles and use safety screen. Please watch and record your observation on the worksheet provided. If you don't have this, your teacher may pause this video so you can draw this table on your exercise book. Alkaline metals are all soft metals. They can be cut with a knife. As we go down the group, these metals react with the air more quickly, so we keep them in oil. The first metal we will show you is lithium. We will cut the metal with a knife to see how soft the metal is, and you can see the metallic luster. Before we drop lithium metal inside this trough filled with water, we will add some universal indicator. And the color of water will change to green, which indicates water is neutral. Now, we will drop lithium metal in water and observe what happens. It floats on the surface of water because its density is about half of water, gently fizzing and giving off hydrogen gas. It gradually reacts and disappears, forming a purple solution of lithium hydroxide. The second metal we will show you is sodium. We will cut the metal with a knife to see how soft the metal is, and you can see the metallic luster. As you go down the group, metal becomes more softer and easier to cut. Like before, we will add universal indicator to the water so we can see the color change when sodium metal will react with the water. Now we will drop sodium metal in water and observe what happens. Sodium floats on the surface of water. It has lower melting point than lithium, and reaction produce heat faster. Sodium moves because it is pushed around by the hydrogen gas which is given off in this reaction. The third metal we will show you is potassium. We will cut the metal with a knife to see how soft the metal is, so you can see the metallic luster. Sometimes the corrosion in air is so quick that it is hard to see the metallic luster at all, as potassium is highly reactive than lithium and sodium. Once again, we will add universal indicator into the water, and remember the color of water is green because it is neutral. Now we will drop potassium metal and observe what happens. With potassium, this time you will see the flame, and the heat given out by the reaction is produced so quickly that hydrogen gas catches fire and burns with a lilac flame. We will repeat the experiment with potassium, but this time we will put potassium on top of filter paper and observe.